Bonjour and welcome to my channel. This is already the 7th video of this series. I hope that the holiday went well and that COVID did not impact you. So far we have studied together the alphabet, the numbers from 0 to 100 and the personal pronouns. We have also seen how and when to use tu and vous, and you're now able to greet and introduce yourself. This is already pretty good. Today in this short video we're going to study together the days of the week. So if you're ready, let's go. Before I start giving you the days, let me give you two useful words, day and week. In French, there are two ways to say day, but in this video, I'll focus on one. Un jour. Un jour. This is a masculine noun. Now week, and there is only one way to say it. Une semaine. Une semaine. This is a feminine noun. Okay, now here are the days of the week. Lundi. Lundi. The day of the moon. La lune. La lune. Mardi. Mardi. The day of Mars. 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 Mercredi. Mercredi. The day of Mercury. Mercure. Mercure. Jeudi. Jeudi. The day of Jupiter. 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 Vendredi. Vendredi. The day of Venus. Vénus. Vénus. Samedi. Samedi. The day of Sabbath. Le sabbat. Le sabbat. Dimanche. Dimanche. The day of the Lord. Le Seigneur. Le Seigneur. Now be careful. Depending on where you're from, you may be used to starting the day with a capital letter. In French, there is no capital letter at the beginning of each day, except if you start a sentence with a day, of course. Also, because I know it's not the same in some countries, be aware that in France, week starts with Monday, not with Sunday. Okay, this is the end of this short video. Feel free to watch it again if you need to, and ask your questions in the comments. I will answer them, as usual, with great pleasure. I'll see you in the next video. Keep up the good work. À bientôt.